Good day everyone, it's me again, your Ahente Next Door, and today, andito tayo sa Binyan City, Laguna to show you this 3-story townhouse na ready for occupancy na. Yes po, nakatayo na and anytime pwede na kayong mag-move in. Located here at Penthouse at Jubilation. Yan, ito yung mga units natin. Ang iba rito, meron na may-ari, yung iba nagpapagawa na. But still, we have few units na open for sale. Just to give you a glimpse about our location, yung mga nakikita nyo sa sasakyan doon, yan, mga dumadaan, yan ay papunta ng Mamplasan SLEX exit. Dahil we are just a few minutes away from the Mamplasan exit and the Brent International School. Kung kayo ay may private vehicle, kaya ng 15 to 20 minutes going to Alabang. Check natin yung unit. By the way guys, we have 3 available turnover dito sa Penthouse at Jubilation. Number 1 is the prime or the bare finish. Number 2 is the premium or the complete finish. And we are also selling our model house. This is a fully furnished unit. Meron ng mga gamit. So first nating i-check yung ating prime or bare finish. So the lot area of this unit is 60 square meters. You have 2 vehicle carport, one here and isa dito, aside. And this is your main entrance. You can see how detailed this was done. Kung kayo ay fan of condominium living, ma-appreciate nyo to. So the floor area of this house is 90 square meters. Sarado lang natin saglit. So from the main entrance, on your left side is a room na pwede mong gawing office, o kaya naman kung meron kayong elderly sa bahay, you can use this as their bedroom. Then dito naman on the right side, right under the stairs, you have your laundry area. So bakit ko siya nasabing laundry? Because meron tayo ditong socket provision for your washing machine para sa gripo, this one, and meron din siyang drain. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung fully furnished o yung dress up unit para may makita nyo kung paano siya gamitan. And then here at the back, you still have space for your dirty kitchen. Hanggang dito yan sa may puno and dito sa may bakal. Then ito, open to hanggang sa taas. Pwede mo tong i-enclose in the future para sa privacy. O kaya naman, lagyan mo ng roof. Use it as your dirty kitchen. Oh my God, ayaw masara. Yan. And then, you have this wide staircase. Concrete yung base ng ating stairs, but meron siyang mga wood planks. Medyo madumi lang kasi may nag-aayos and hindi pa siya nalilinis. But still, it's a very spacious and wide staircase. You have this steel railing on the side. This is your second floor, serving as the function area in this house. Ito na yung pinakang living, dining, and indoor kitchen mo. Right here, you have a provision for air conditioning. And then dito, meron kang mga outlet na para sa TV. Ito para siya sa signal cable. And then, you also have this balcony on the second floor. Just a glimpse of our community. Ito siya. Meron na mga nakapagpaayos ng unit nila. Meron din namang ongoing pa ng payment. But right now, we are offering low cash out. Nasa 100,000 lang. Once masettle mo yon, ipaprocess na yung pinakang loan natin sa bank. So going back, this is your second floor function area. This will be your living area. Your dining area with this large windows para sa magandang pasok ng natural light, and of course the ventilation. Provision for aircon, you have two provision for window type. One is here, one is right there. And then on this side is a provision for kitchen. Yan. As you can see, meron kayo ditong tubo para sa gripo and yung para naman sa lababo. We offer bare finish because some clients ay merong personal preference when it comes to interior design. So at least you can have it for a lower price and then set up your own interior. This is your first toilet and bath. Since this is bare finish, wala pa sang mga fixtures. Kayo na po ang maglalagay. And then, on your third floor, again, this wide staircase, you have this open area. No paint, although it's already have its first coating, yan. Pero kailangan mo pa siyang i-paint ng additional para mas maging maganda. No tiles, no bedroom partition. But this is designed for 3 bedroom. You have provision for air conditioning here, second there, and third here. And then we also have this second toilet and bath. Yan. And also another balcony where you can enjoy your morning coffee, of course, and have some small talks, tea, o kaya kung mahilig kayo mag-inom, pwede rin dito. Basta drink moderately. Okay? So this is for our prime or bare unit. Now, I'm gonna show you the premium or the complete finish para may idea rin kayo. So let's go! So next na we will check is the premium or the complete finish. By the way, yung mga septic tank natin, ayan, makikita nyo, andito na siya sa may parking space para in the future, mas madali nyo siyang ma-access. Again, you have 2 vehicle carport. Medyo may mga gamit lang tayo kasi may inaayos dito sa unit. But just to give you a glimpse of how it looks like kapag merong tiles. So here it is. Here's your laundry area. And then on this side is a room, multi-purpose room. You can use it as your office, use it as an elderly room, or you can use it as a storage space. Okay? Again, you have space here at the back for your dirty kitchen and service area. We just open up to the top of the house. And then, compared kanina na bare wood lang, yung mga stairs natin ngayon with paint na siya. Yan. And on your second floor, the function area, ito na siya. Kanina open lang, now we have the tiles. This kitchen countertop with the kitchen cabinet and these overheads right here. And then on our toilet and bath, complete na siya with fixtures. Yan. Same pa rin, you have this very wide windows and the balcony right there. And then check naman natin yung third floor. Kung pagdating sa location guys, this is a very good investment kasi napakalapit niya sa lahat. This is your first bedroom. Yan. And then at the back you have your second bedroom. Right beside it is your second toilet and bath. Yan, with its own shower space. And then, here is your master's bedroom. Yung master's bedroom natin, meron siyang space dito for your closet. Yan. And then, siya yung may access sa balcony. Sobrang sulit nito, guys. Ngayon naman, check natin yung dressed up para makita nyo kung paano nyo siya pwedeng i-layout in the future. Tara! Yan. So this time, we will check the dressed up unit. You can copy this one. Pwede kayong magpa-tiles ng parking space nyo. And then, tukin natin yung loob. Yan. So kanina, meron tayong room on this side. Ginawa nila siyang bedroom. You can have it for your elderly, kung meron kayo matanda sa bahay na pagod mag-akyat-akyat. You can use this one. And then, right under the stairs is your laundry area. Dito naglagay sila nitong washing machine and then your storage cabinets for the laundry. And here on your stairs, naglagay sila ng mural. I really love how they did it. Kasi napaka-aesthetic yung tingnan. And yung hagdan, it's already wooden upon turnover. Pero naglagay sila ng vinyl tiles para magmukha siyang wood planks. And then just paint on the railings. But what I love most about this house is the function area. Di ba kanina open space lang to? Now you have here your living space with this TV and this storage cabinets. Ganda. Very tropical yung vibe with the yellow colors. Very warm. And then your dining area. The only difference is meron siyang window dito because this is an end unit. Pero yung mga available natin as of now are inner units. Tulad ng mga yan. So wala silang bintana dito, pero dito meron. Okay? And right here is your kitchen area. You have this range hood here, your kitchen sink, and then the refrigerator. Diba? Another glimpse para makita nyo ng buo. By the way, I forgot to mention yung balcony is right here. Yan. Puntahan naman natin yung third floor. So right beside the stairs is your first toilet and bath. Ngayon, naglagay na sila ng enclosed shower space para nga naman hindi tumapon yung tubig. You can copy that one once ma-turn over na sa inyo itong unit. So the property has provision for 3 bedrooms, but in this specific unit, ang ginawa nila, kinumbine nila yung dalawa. So we only have 2 bedrooms. 1 bedroom and then 1 master's bedroom na malaki. So this is the first bedroom. Yan. If you have teenagers or mga kids, pwede nila itong gawing kwarto. If marami sila, you can put double deck bed right there. This is the second toilet and bath. I really like the tiles. This is a textured tiles. Pwede nyo itong gayahin sa unit nyo. Again, with its enclosed shower space. And finally, our master's bedroom. Ayan. Yung side ng facade ng house, minaximize nyo na siya for the master's bedroom. Para meron ka sariling entertainment space right here. And then the bed. Aside from that, you also have this massive wardrobe for your outfits. You can have this office space and also your balcony right here. Diba? So napakaganda ng pagkakagawa and napakaganda rin ng pagkaka-layout. Which is pwede nyong makuha kapag kumuha kayo ng property dito sa Penthouse at Jubilation. Ayan, so if you are interested in this property, you can message us on our Facebook page, Ahente Next Door. We are also available in WhatsApp and Viber. Sa ngayon, kukunti na lang yung available natin, kaya grab this chance na makakuha kayo ng property na napakalapit sa lahat, few minutes away from SLEX exit, accessible also in Calax and Cavitex. Walking distance lang yung mga kailangan nyo. Right there, we have the Pavilion Mall and also the Pure Gold. And this is already a business district. So mataas yung appreciation ng mga property dito sa area. For the sample computation, nilalagay ko lahat sa ating caption. And you can check kung yon ay pasok sa inyong budget and preferred property. Again, this is Joe Armenta, your Ahente Next Door. And see you again on our next video.